Hi dear students, welcome to the chemistry classes. From this I completed nearly three chapters, and next chapter I am going to start a solution chapter in the PUC second year, second unit it is. Okay, one thing dear students, please don't waste the time, read well. Okay, if you have any doubt, please send in comment box. Okay, I will solve anything. If I don't know, I will search in the books. Next, I will give you your solution for that any of your doubts. Okay. This one of the next chapter is solution. The solution chapter is one of the very easiest chapter in your second PC and very simplest chapter, and it is very fundamental chapter when you are learning the next building a concept of all the things that whatever this solution. The solution chapter is very important, very interesting also. One thing I will tell you, why one simplest thing will come in this chapter. Why this cool drinks bottle is cold bottle? That cool drinks bottle is tight, that closed tightly. Why? Which gas is there in that cold drinks bottle? Like this, there will be very simplest and funny as well as interesting questions will comes in this chapter. Some ideal solutions, non-ideal solutions. There are so many important and very interesting chapter it is. So learn this solution chapter. Okay. If you have, I will go with very easiest way, understanding way. Okay. If you don't know also, I will go for very slowly also. Okay. This chapter is learn. Okay. Solution. Okay. What does mean by solution? In all of them in your mind, solution means it will comes in your all of them mind. Ellar telele solution andre on imagination bartada. Solution andre mixing. Solution andre mixing. One or two, more than two substance are mixing together. This is called solution. It is commonly, generally in everyone mind it will comes. Okay, solution. Okay, solution ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ? How the solution is formed? Solution formation agbekanದ್ರೆ what are the important needs? How the solution? That is very important. Yes, right. ನಾವು ಭಾಳ ಮಂದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಯಾರೇ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರೇ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಜನ್ನು ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ನೀವು ಕಲಿತಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ನಿಂತ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾಲೆಜ್. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹಾಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಕಲಿತಿರ್ತೀರಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ನಿಂತ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ show you some apparatus. What is that solution? How exactly it forms? What solutions are consist of? Okay, I will tell you. You see here, this is what one beaker. Yes, right. This is what solution. Either this is solution. No, this is just one solvent. In a glass, I am taken solvent. Either it may be water or whatever it may be. I am taken this solvent, the liquid form. It is in the form of liquid. You see here, I will tell you based on that. Again there will be change. This is water liquid, sugar salt. This is sugar salt is there. This is in the form of solid. You see, this is my liquid. This is a solid. Yes, right. This is water liquid and this is water solid. Now you see here what happens, what are the conditions, what will be changes we have to occur. You see, one glass I am taken. In the glass I am taken the water. In the glass In the glass I am taken the water. In the glass I am taken the water. Next, in the spoon I am taken the sugar. Okay, this is water and this is a sugar. Now we call this whatever we are adding to this, right? Whatever we are adding to the spoon, this is sugar. We have called this one as a solute. This one is called as what? A solute. In which we are adding, it is called as what? A solvent. This is called as what? A solvent. Why I am telling this word? Most of the students are very confusing. Which is solute, which is solvent. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, what we are adding, that is called as solute. In which we are adding, in water, in whatever it may be, organic solvent, whatever it may be, that is called as solvent. In which we are adding solvent, what we are adding is called as solute. Okay, you see here, in this water and sugar, which is solute, which is solvent. You see here, this is water. I am pouring this sugar in this. You see here, this is sugar, right? Therefore, this sugar is called as solute. This water is called as solvent. In which I am adding water. In water I am adding, right? Therefore, it is called as solvent. What I am adding? Sugar I am adding. This is called as solute. You see here, this is small. You see here, I am adding continuously. I am adding. Yes, right? You see here, this is water, sugar I am adding to this water. What happens? You see here, after that, you see here, this sugar, next solute I am added to the solvent. It gives us to solution. What? A solution. How solution comes? The solution comes when solute and solvent combines. It gives us to solute plus solvent combines to give just what? Solution. Yes, right? Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೀಕರ್ನೊಳಗ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್. ಯಾವುದು? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಶುಗರ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಶುಗರ್, ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟರ್. ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ವಾಟರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್, ಯು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, this is what? Solution. This is what? Solution. In this solution all completely sugar. This is what? Sugar, right? Therefore the sugar is completely soluble. Therefore this mixture is called as solution. Therefore now you see, observe that solution is a mixture of solute and solvent. Solute and solvent is called as solution. I think, I hope everyone now understand what is meant by solution. Okay, I added sugar, it completely dissolved. Observe here, is there any sugar in that? Any small particle? It will be. Is there anything? It will be. After shaking it will be goes. This is solution. Okay, are you agree for this? It is completely dissolved. Okay, I will take one more. I will take some more example. See, wait, dear students, 1 minute. Okay, dear student, you see, next again one more I am doing. This is water and this is sand. This is what? Sand. I am adding this. Okay, you see here, sand is a solute, water is a solvent. I am adding this solute to this solvent. You see here, what happens? It is soluble. It is soluble? No, it is not at all soluble. It is not soluble. After some time, all sand will be used here. After some time, okay. After some time, this all sand will be settled down. All sand will be settled down. You observe this. You see here. This is sand. You see here. This is sand will be settled down. Therefore, it is not completely soluble. Notice. After that, it will be used here. This is not soluble in the water. Therefore, based on this, solutions are classified into two types. Based on this, solutions are classified into two types. Solutions are classified into two types. What are those? What are the types of this solution? The first one is homogeneous solution. Next one is called as heterogeneous solution. You see here, the meaning is itself in that. What is meant by heterogeneous? Heterogeneous solution means whatever you added solute in the solvent completely dissolved throughout the solution, throughout the solvent. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಶಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವೇನೇ ಶುಗರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್. ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕುಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು? heterogeneous. For example, you see in this water all sand will be settled down. Some, no, it is not completely soluble after some time also. Therefore, it is not completely soluble. Therefore, such a solution is called as heterogeneous solution. Now I have my sugar solution also. You see here, this sugar solution. This is sugar solution completely dissolved. You add some more sugar. I am added some more sugar. The sugar is completely soluble in the solvent. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ solvent ನಾಗ sugar completely soluble ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Completely soluble it is. If it is completely soluble, you see in this solution, the sugar is completely soluble. After shaking or whatever it may be, it will be soluble. If it is completely soluble throughout the solution, ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಶುಗರ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಂದ ಕುಡಿದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ತೆಳಗಿಂದ ನಾವು ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. therefore the sugar is soluble throughout the solvent. ಈ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶುಗರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಂದ ಇಟ್ಟೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ತೆಳಗಿನ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will be same taste throughout this solution. Therefore, the sugar is completely soluble in this water. Therefore, it is called as homogeneous solution. This, therefore, based on this, we classified the solutions into two types based on the solubility, the soluble or insoluble. If it is not soluble, it is heterogeneous. If it is completely soluble throughout the solvent, it is called as what? Homogeneous solution. Then after that, this is homogeneous solution, heterogeneous solution. We are going for some terminology, very important words, important terminologies in a solution chapter. You know that fundamental, we have to go for. Okay, see, understand. After learning some basic things, what we know, after that we have to build some words. Okay, first one, we know that solute. What is meant by solute? Already we learned that, just now I shown everyone. What is meant by solute? Solute means the part, the substance we are adding. What we are adding to that solute. Yes, right, the solution, that is called solute. In one more way they are defining, the small quantity of a substance is called as solute. ಯಾವ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು. ಏನಾರ ನಾವು ಶುಗರ್ ಭಾಳ ತಗೊಂಡು ವಾಟರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಡೀತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. therefore that is solute, the quantity which are adding, okay, to the solution, that is called as solute. Next one, solvent. What is meant by solvent? In which we are adding solute is called as solvent. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಾ ಏನೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ and this is what sugar. This sugar is called as what solute, and this is called as what solvent. Yes, right. The solvent is water and solute, sugar is a solute. What we are adding is called as solute, in which we are adding is called as solvent. Yes, right. Next we have to define solution. What is mean by solution? Solution ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಾವು we have to tell solution. Solution ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than one component. Homogeneous mixture ಇರಬೇಕು. ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಅದು homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೇವೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಒನ್ ವೇ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವೇ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's the mixture of solute and solvent. Solute plus solvent is called as what? A solution. Just now I have shown this. Next, what is mean by homogeneous solution? Homogeneous solution andre enu? What is mean by homogeneous solution? Just now I told this one also. Homogeneous solution. Example, you see here, this is what sugar solution. The sugar is completely dissolved, right? If this sugar is completely dissolved throughout the solvent, you see here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಶುಗರ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ದಾಗ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥ್ರೋಡ್ ದಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಈ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ದಾಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನೂ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಬರೀ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಶುಗರ್ ಅದತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್, ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಥ್ರೋಡ್ ದಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಥ್ರೋಡ್ ದಿ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್. ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಥ್ರೋಡ್ ದಿ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್. Next one, heterogeneous solution. This heterogeneous solution I given one, I shown this one also. The sand in water. The sand in water, we are dissolved first sand, after that it will be settled down, right? Therefore it is not dissolved completely throughout the solution, therefore it is called as heterogeneous solution. Next we will go for the binary solution. What is mean by binary? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದು. ಬೈನರಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅದು ಬೈನರಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. What is binary solution? The binary means two. The solution formed by the two components. Either it may be solutes or it may be solvents. The combination of two is called as what? A binary solution. You see, this binary solution, we are one more way defining. It is a mixture of two pure solvent, two pure substance. One more way we are defining, it is the solution of a mixture, either solid or gas or liquid. It is a mixture solid or liquid or gas. Either it may be solid, liquid or gas or liquid. You see, this is binary solution. Binary solution means the solution formed by the two similar solid, gas or liquid, solute solvent. If solute solvent both are solid, then it is called binary solution. If both solute and solvent gas, then it is called as again binary solution. If solute and solvent both are liquid, again it is also binary solution. Therefore the solution formed by the both solute and solvent in the same state of matter. One more way they are defining. There are so many ways we have to define this binary solution. After that, you see here, dear student, saturated solution. Word is very important. now bhal mandi keltirtine students kela ಏನಂತಾರೆ, what is mean by saturated? Saturated solution means in the solution the carbon single bond is called saturated. No way, it is organic chemistry. it is not an organic chemistry, it's inorganic chemistry. We are telling saturated solution. What is mean by saturated solution? Saturated ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಐತಿ, ಶುಗರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಐತಿ. ಈ ಶುಗರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಾವು 1 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. 2 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಒಂದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಶುಗರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್. ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್. It will be not dissolve in the solution, in this solvent. The more than 5 spoon of the sugar is not soluble. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಂಗೈತಿ, ಈಗ 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈ 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ಈಗ ನಾವು 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ, 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹೌ ಟು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್? The maximum capacity of solute dissolved in the solvent. ನೋಡಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಇದು ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ದಾಗ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕಿನಿ, 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕಿನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 5 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕಿನಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನೀವು 1 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 2 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. 5 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಕರಗ್ತದ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ನಮ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈಗ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಇದ್ರ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಈಗ 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ 6 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ 7 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು 10 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? They exceed the conjective solubility. This is what unsaturated solution. The maximum capacity in which the solute is not soluble. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಂದಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡಿಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ದಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ okay, what is mean by dissolution? What is mean by dissolution? You see here, I will tell you dissolution. You see here, dear friend, first here one solid is there, here whatever it means, one solvent is there, here one solute you are adding. After adding this, if the concentration initially whatever it may be, 1 normal is there, after adding this solute the concentration will be increases to 2 normal. Therefore the solution in which the solvent concentration increases, after adding the solute. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು, dissolution ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು. What is meant by dissolution? The solute in which having certain concentration, after adding solute the concentration of this solution will be increases, then it is called as dissolution. Then it is called as what? A dissolution. Okay, next we go for the solubility. That is very important. Solubility at ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, initially we have 100 gram of solvent. 100 gram of solvent. Nodri, the solute is adding. The capacity of solute dissolved in 100 gram of solvent. The capacity of solute dissolved in 100 gram of solvent. 100 gram ಇರಬೇಕಾ ಇದು, 100 gram of solvent, then it is called as solubility ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Understood? Yesterday I discussed the potassium permanganate. That potassium permanganate solubility. The potassium permanganate 100 ml of water 100 ml of water ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5.1 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಿಲಿಟಿ. 100 ml ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರಿಬೇಕು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲೈಸೇಷನ್. What is meant by crystallization? We have solution. This is what solution. The solution means the mixture of solid plus solvent. Mixture of solid plus solvent. In this solution, we have to remove this solvent. We have to remove the solvent. Solvent ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನು? Only pure solvent ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಉಳಿತದಿಲ್ಲ. Pure solute. Therefore, crystallization is one of the purification method of chemistry. Therefore, the purification step or purification method, the removing of solvent to get the pure solvent, pure solute, then it is called as crystallization. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಶುಗರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಐತಿ ನಮಗ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಶುಗರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ವಾಟರ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗೈತಿ. ವಾಟರ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನು ಶುಗರ್ ಉಳಿತೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶುಗರ್ ಉಳಿತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಮೊದಲು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದಕ್ಕೆ crystallization. We are getting solute and solvent separately, right? Therefore, whatever solute we are getting at the down, that is called as crystallization form. Therefore, this is what a crystallization based on this. Okay. These are the what terminology. Please, these are fundamental terminology. Don't forget this until unless completion of this solution chapter. Very important. Okay, that's why I discuss these points separately. Okay, thank you.